Quick recording there for 2025 question 5. Okay. Shown below is a logo and complete logo for a bird watching location at a campsite. Complete the logo by constructing axial symmetry. Okay. So this is very similar to what we do for the parabolas. Okay. So we extend our lines on. We put our compass on that line L1. Mark the distance, get the distance of it here on the left side, turn it around and mark it on the right side. Same with this one down here. So we can draw that in. Bring across this one, bring across this point and the bottom point. Same thing now again, compass on that line L1, extend it to wherever the point is on the left and turn it and mark it on the right. So we can darken in there now what we know, so it's here to here. All we've left in is the top part. We can bring these down. And that's that first part finished in there. So the image across shows a glamping pod. The design of the pod includes a parabola DOC with vertex at O. Draw the parabola DOC in the rectangle ABCD below and complete the elevation of the pod to include the floor. Okay. So we're drawing our parabola here. So we go across from our vertex. Draw a line down any angle, any distance, mark off how many points we want on it. I'm going to do 3. The last point gets matched down with D, and now we go parallel to them for these ones, and all these points get joined back up to the vertex. Now we need to divide the bottom here, so again, line at any angle, any distance from D. We're marking off 3 points along it, so 1, 2, 3. The last mark here gets joined with the axis this time, not with C, with the axis, and we go parallel to that. These then go parallel with the axis, which in this case is just going to be straight up. Find their corresponding points, so 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3. And in the curve, we're bringing across these points, and very similar to the first one, we're using axial symmetry. So we're putting our compass there on the axis, extending it to the point, swinging it on the other side. Same with this one down here. And now we have to do our door, so it's 25mm in. Straight up till you hit the parabola. Straight across till you hit it again. Down, and they also have this dark center line. That's that question. So, an image across shows a mallet for a driving tint pegs into the ground. Shown below is the outline of a similar mallet and a tint peg. Redraw the mallet below, rotated anti-clockwise through point O until the line A reaches the line L1. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate A around until it hits the nail. Okay, so point on O, extend the compass to A, and swing it around. Okay? Now we need to find out what angle that's after moving to be able to move all our other points at the same angle. So we join A back to O, and we join O to where that arc hits the nail. So there, where A's new position is. Okay? We now need to measure this angle. Okay? And it's 50 degrees. So all these points now must go 50 degrees. So I'm going to label my points. 1, 2, 3. We'll worry about the handle bit in the middle, okay? In a minute. So I'm going to join number 1 to O. I'm going to measure 50 degrees on it. So on that line there, we're measuring 50 degrees, which is here. I'm drawing that line out, and I'm going to swing O now until it hits that line. So we're swinging O until it hits. So that now is number 1, and that one there is A. So we do the exact same for number 2. Join 2 to O. We're marking 50 degrees on that, so you line up your line there with line up your protractor with the line we just drew. We're measuring 50 degrees. We can draw out 50 degrees there, and we can swing around point number 2. That's number 2 swung around. Same with number 3. So we can join in the hammer now. Then I'm going to get the distance here from A to the handle. So we get in here. Same on the other side. Join back to O. And then that goes parallel and perpendicular from that point O. So that's that one there finished in. Now we need to do this one down here. So shown below is an elevation plan and incomplete view of a similar tent. Complete the view, in view the tent. So include in view the tent. Okay. So if we're looking in this way, we're looking in this way. We want to bring across our points there. So that's the in view complete, and complete the indexing. Okay. So at the front here are the ones with the labels, so we follow this up here. So we're looking in the side here. So C's up the top. Then we write the one we see first. So we see B, D, and A, E. So that's that page incomplete as well. Question 5, 2025.